I just hit 70,000 Instagram followers. I'm gonna share with you guys how I did that. Bolo, come here. Look at this. 70,000. Look at what? Whew. Aren't you happy? I gotta show Nike. Nike. Oh boy, we hit 70,000 Instagram followers. 70,000 today. I had to thank them. I had to give them their credit because they're all over this page. And if I didn't, they'd probably complain about it. Jeez, that's nuts, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate all of you. Thank you. Today, we're gonna talk about how I hit 70,000 Instagram followers and how I did it real quick. So I'm gonna show you guys what I did and some methods that are gonna help you to make this a lot easier. But first, I'm gonna take you guys to the gym. We're gonna do a workout. I'm gonna set up 7 different stations. We're gonna do each station 70 times. Today, everything is about 70. So let's go work out. Welcome to my gym. We're gonna get a good little workout in today. We're doing 7 different stations, 10 reps every station, so we can hit 70. I'm also gonna give you guys 1 tip every station, so you can get 7 tips on how to grow your Instagram following. Everything today is about 70, so let's get started. Alright, so tip number 1. First thing you guys need to do, you need to pick a niche, okay? What's your topic of your page? That is super important. One of the things that I think helped me the most was figuring out who I am and what am I trying to say on my Instagram page. Okay, there's fitness, photography, food, all sorts of different stuff that you guys can pick. But you're gonna grow your following a lot faster when Instagram knows who you're trying to target, what field you're in. It's gonna bucket you in that niche, okay? And instead of trying to broadcast to all these people that aren't in your field, I want you guys to broadcast the ones that are in your field. It'll grow faster. Tip number 2, like photos, okay? What you wanna do is like the photos of people that are following you. Go to your follower list, click on their profile, go to their recent, or like their top 3. What that's gonna do, they already are liking your photos, okay? They're already following you. So then that's gonna trigger them to come back to your account and start giving you a bunch of likes so you can increase your engagement, okay? Another thing that you should do when you're liking photos is go find the top hashtags in your niche, in your field, and then go like all the recent photos in that hashtag, okay? You can also do some cool little tricks, stuff like putting in hashtag new account, because with people that have new accounts on Instagram, they're looking for followers, so they're very likely to follow you because they're a new account. So they wanna start following people right away. So if I go hashtag new account, I go to recent, I start liking all those photos, those new accounts, they're gonna follow you, okay? That helps. It's super, super important. Like photos. Tip number 3, comment on photos, okay? It can be the people that are following you, like I was saying about the likes, okay? You wanna go comment on people that are in your niche, and don't just give them an emoji. Give them a nice comment. Give them a nice little sentence that they're gonna check out your page, okay? Now, there's a little method that I like to use with comments and with likes. I call it the be first method, okay? Now that method is, if they are in your field, we'll talk about fitness, the famous pages on fitness, if you have their post notifications on, so you can see when they post, like that right moment, and you're the first person to like it, and you're the first person to leave a nice comment, or one that's gonna get a lot of engagement, people are gonna like that comment. It's gonna grow fast because you're a very popular page. They're gonna follow you, and also, because you were the first to like them, when people are following their people that liked their page, they're gonna click on that and they start following down the line, because people think, oh, if they're engaging on a big page, then maybe we should follow them and maybe they'll engage on our page. So it's a quick little way to trick them into following your page. You get a bunch of followers that way. Tip number 4, okay? Go find the people in your field that have the most amount of followers, but also the ones that resemble you and that you want to be like, okay? Follow them, follow about 100 different pages, okay? So that way people see you're a person that does follow people, so they're more likely to follow you, okay? It's ignorant if you don't follow a lot of people. You want to give at least, 100 to 200 and try to keep it in your niche so Instagram still buckets you in that field. You're also gonna get a bunch of followers from following those popular pages, because those people are looking for followers too. So you're gonna be at the top of their follow list right when you follow them. So when people go and click on those followers and they start following everybody down the line again, the same way they did for our Be First method, they're gonna see you and they're gonna follow you. Tip number 5, do your content research before you make your posts, okay? If it went viral once, it's gonna go viral twice. You wanna look for things of value, okay? This is the most important thing. You pick your niche and then you have your value. So if you guys go on my page, you're gonna see there's some comedy on there, which is value. You're gonna see business tips on there, fitness on there. That's what we share. We're a fitness page with a business. We motivate people, teach them how to grow their business, all sorts of stuff like that. That is value. It gives them strong reason to follow us. And you guys can see, when you're doing content pieces, you already have your research, you already know which hashtags you're gonna use, you've seen what's gone viral. You can go to the top section on Instagram, type something in, see the popular posts, have a look at it, recreate it, make it yours. All right, tip number 6, set up a bot, okay? A lot of people say, oh, you shouldn't be setting up bots, you shouldn't be doing that stuff. I think bots are good, okay? The reason why I say that is because they're working for you 24/7, even while you're sleeping. I don't recommend getting the bot to follow and unfollow people. That's very ignorant. You're gonna piss people off. Don't do that, okay? Get the bot to like photos for you. Get the bot to comment for you. If that bot is set up properly on hashtags, on specific comments, it'll do all that stuff for you. So that bot will be liking 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 people per 24 hours. So even if you have a small fraction of those people, after that you're liking their photo with that bot, they're gonna go and follow you, okay? You can like people in a specific location for your business. If you're a local business and you wanna get more people to follow you in your local area, you can get them to like people with certain hashtags in certain field. This bot will do everything for you, okay? Drop a comment down below if you wanna know which bots to use. I'll help you guys out. Tip number 7, I'm gonna add some extras in here for you guys, okay? You can do a couple different things. There's a lot of ways that you can pull people to your page, all right? You can collaborate with other people in your field that already have a lot of followers. You guys can share each other's followers, okay? That's one really good one. Another one, you can go to those pages that you followed, send them a DM. See if they'll give you a shout out, see if they'll put you in your story. If not, ask them if they're willing to take a couple bucks to post you. Do a little shout out, okay? Do I recommend shout outs? Depending if you're selling a product or if you're trying to pull them to your page, yes, but there is another way that is a lot better, okay? I call it the GOAT. It is Facebook ads, all right? If you know how to run Facebook ads, put the proper targeting to those ads in your field, all those people are gonna be going to your page at pennies, and they're gonna follow you. And the reason why I think that this is the best thing to do is because ultimately, you want your page to be a business page. You don't wanna be a page that's just like, oh, like me, here's my selfie. That stuff doesn't work anymore, all right? You wanna be a business page that eventually has a goal to make money. Otherwise, what's the point in doing this, all right? If you wanna get Instagram famous, I don't know. I don't really think it's gonna benefit you if there's not a monetary way that's gonna help you later in the future. So learn how to run Facebook ads. If you're worried about spending a couple dollars, grow your business a little bit, take some of those dollars, put them into the Facebook ads, and you're gonna make a lot more later, okay? I took one of my clients' money before. I took $6 for them. I put it into Facebook ads for them, and they got $600 back. You just can't beat that return on investment. All right, guys, so those are 7 tips on how you can grow your Instagram following. I wanna give you guys a thank you again. We hit 70,000 on Instagram, which is incredible. I'm super pumped about that. Hopefully, we can hit 70,000 subscribers on YouTube one day. Subscribe down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm gonna show you guys everything I know. This is episode 1 of the vlog. I will see you guys next time.